Council India's Teachers' Day came with a twist. We know about all professionals, but we tend to miss out on someone very important. Here's how it turned out. Who is the most important person in this room?
So in this room for me, Dr. Kashish is most important.
For me, in this room, I feel Captain Abhishek Saxena is the most important.
Advocate Supriya? Why do you think he's important?
Because he protects our country and saves us in so many lives.
Because she's a doctor, she saves life of people. That's why she's the most important among all.
Because I think when something is happening in our life, the advocate helps legally.
Who is the least important person here and why do you think so?
As I can see, there's no designation at Amit Tripathi, so for me, Amit Tripathi is the least.
Amit Tripathi, because as there is no legislation there, so I feel that's why he's.
Amit Tripathi ji don't have any designation mentioned there. So for me, he's the least important person in this room.
Let's ask the supposedly least important person in this room to introduce himself.
So my name is Amit Tripathi. I am a counselor. Now I do not carry fancy designations because I don't have any designation. But yes, I create designations. My role is like that of a teacher, maybe a gardener. So I mold people, I handhold them, and I give value to their lives so that they contribute to the society. So I feel then I contribute to the society. Supriya, Abhishek, and Kashish, they're all, my counselees. I have attended to them and shown them the way.
So a counselor is also required in everyone's life. एक काउंसलर ने एक डॉक्टर बनाया है, एक कैप्टन बनाए हैं, इवन एक एडवोकेट भी. So yeah, counselor is required everywhere.
I feel he has bring important changes in all three lives, and I feel like he's very important in this room.
So I feel कि कहीं ना कहीं how मतलब the person is impacted in everyone's life in this room. So he is the most important, I feel, in this room.
Myself, Captain Abhishek Saxena. So I hope all of you would have watched one movie, 12th Fail. So my story is also similar to that particular movie. As every middle class boy has some dreams, so I was also having to become a captain. So when I was preparing for one government examination, SSP, so I attempted 4 times, but unfortunately I couldn't qualify at that moment. So it was becoming very frustration moment for me, and I was quite confused what should I do at that moment, because I was looking for some support. So I met Mr. Tripathi at that time. So Tripathi sir guided me very well. He counseled me how I should approach the examination again. I appeared again because my mindset was very clear after that particular counseling. So I appeared again and I qualified. So all credit goes to Mr. Tripathi sir.
So Amit sir has brought so much change in my life. I, being a corporate lawyer, meet n number of people every day. And people often come with their stress, their depression, because they're going through legal troubles. And they obviously, whenever they come and enter my door, they obviously bring a lot of negative energy with them. But that is where Amit sir, my counselor, has supported me through this journey, and where I'm standing right now, it was his support. My family, anyone cannot support me through this period. It is only a counselor that assists me and that guides me how to manage that negative energy and make it positive. So when I'm coming every day to the office and I'm helping people get out of their legal troubles, it is a counselor that has supported me.
कोई एक सीरियस ऑपरेशन आ जाता है और हम किसी को सेव नहीं कर पाते, तो किसी की लाइफ सेव ना करना वो भी एक हमारे लिए गिल्ट होता है, राइट? तो एट दैट टाइम आई कंसल्ट टू अमित सर, एंड यस, वी ऑल नीड अ काउंसलर in our life, and a counselor is equals to a teacher. So I appreciate and I thanks to Mr. Amit Tripathi for being over there with me.
Counselors shape futures and heal minds. Shouldn't their title reflect the vital impact they have, just like a doctor or a CA or an advocate?